What are you doing? Lizzie. What's she doing? Where's your puppy?
Puppy.
Say your puppy. He's got your pillow. Elizabeth.
Bye.
Hey, don't be yelling mine like that. It's not nice. So you got your pillow? Is he laying on your pillow? Oh, I love you. Elizabeth. You gonna dance? Dance, Lizzie, dance. Dance, Lizzie, dance. Oh, there's no music, huh? Come here, Liz. Hi, sugar. What are you backing up for? I'm trying to get a video of you. You can't sit on me right now. Ugh, this long hair. Hey, little miss, what are you doing? I'm gonna cover up the puppy. Huh?
Baby.
Baby puppy? Be careful there, Liz. Are you giving kisses? Hey, can I get a kiss? He's just gonna get you. Give me one. Give me a camera kiss. No? Oh. He's to be nice. You're okay, Lizzie. It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. He's just a baby like you. Okay?
Daddy. Daddy.
Say hi, doggy.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy.
Elizabeth. Liz. Come here. Hey. Come here. No, not on my lap. Not on my lap. Hey.
Mommy.
What are you doing, Lizzie? What's under there? Oh, you found a book, huh?
Mommy.
Come here, look. Turn this way. Ethan, stop. Just sit right here. Look, 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 look. I'm trying to get video of you. Okay? Open a book. Can you say tractor?
Daddy.
Chicken? Oh, tractor's on a farm. Oops. Where's the chickens?
This.
Chicken, very good. Where's the ducks?
This.
Very good. Where's the piggies?
This.
Say pig.
This.
Pig. Oh, look at all those. Where's the tractor?
Daddy.
No, where's the tractor? Tractor.
This.
It's a bunny. Hey, Lizzie, where do you put your hat? Where's the hats go? Very good. Where's your shoes that go? Where do your shoes go?
This.
On your feet? Where your shirt go?
This.
Where does your pants go? Where's your pants? Where do their pants go? No, your pants. How about shorts? How about socks? Where do your socks go?
That.
On your feet? Very good. How about soap? How do you put soap on? Oh. You're silly.
Me.
Corn? Num nums? Is that good? Is that yummy yummy? Hey, little girl. Oh, I love you. Say bye-bye. Hey. Oh, stickers. Can you say stickers?
Dizzy.
Stickers.
Dizzy.
You want one? It's a pig. Can you say pig? Pig. Do you want one right there? Okay, let me get it for you real quick and I'll put it on. Okay, here you go. Look. Oh, how fancy. Why'd you take it off? Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Are you going to put it back? Aww. You want another one? Aww.